I'm here with Maddie, and we are just walking the show floor for you and showing you some of the best bits of what's going on.
Yes, enjoy!
So welcome Gig Mill School, welcome to the Big Bang Fair 2018. There's loads of things going on in here. Sorry you can't be with us this week, but I know that Winter Science Week is happening in your school. I know Miss Dark is doing something really quite wonderful with you, and I just wanted you to get a flavour of what we were up to here and not let you feel that you were missing out on anything. As you can see, there is an awful lot of people here today, and they all want to say hello. Isn't that quite nice? So as a result of that, I'm going to show you some of the best things that you can see while you are here. There are shows going on, there are planetariums where people are looking at the stars and things like that. There are shows going on where people are tasting bubbles, tasting clouds. I know, all of that is all happening. Here we have the karaoke shower is going on behind me as well. All these kind of things are all really quite strange. If you love your coding, there's an awful lot of things going on with Raspberry Pis and programming and coding and Robot Wars. We even have a Formula 1 car here. We have some figures, we have some planes. Yes, even got some real aeroplanes for you to look at as well. Look at and have a play with. What I have a play with, they're a bit big. All of this stuff is modern science. What are they doing here? Oh my goodness, this looks disgusting. They're making toothpaste here. They're even making toothpaste. The BBC are here, everybody's dancing. So they're all managing to do a little bit of a dance. They're growing things as well. There are plenty of big shows going on. There are explosions. There are wonderful things. Oh, he's a massive mosquito. Can't resist that. So I'm just going to show you my massive mosquito. So people are queuing up for shows because they want to see the stages. All those kind of things are all happening. Remember kids, whatever it is that you want to do with science, you can. Your teachers want to share these things with you. Science makes up the modern world. It makes up all the things that are really quite, well, funny. Remember kids, if it looks like magic, it's definitely going to be science. So there you go, Gig Mill, a special message for you from the Big Bang Fair. If you want more science from your teachers, just ask them. They're dying to do more with you. So from us here, bye-bye.